Hello, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take the derivative of y equals x to the x. So we have, this is a exponential function as well. Instead of a base being a number or a constant, we have actually a variable being the base of this function. So let's go ahead and start taking the derivative. So we know that y equals x to the x, okay? So I'm gonna do a little manipulation here by using one of the natural log property, that e to the ln of a equals a. So for this x, I'm gonna write it as e to the ln of x. Just use this property and raise to the x power equals y. Okay, now here we can actually use the property of exponents, where we have a to the m raised to the n power equals a to the m times n. So we can go ahead and actually multiply this x with ln of x. So we get e to the x times ln of x. Okay, so in the next step, I'm going to take the derivative on both sides. So dy over dx equals derivative of d over dx of e to the x times ln of x. Okay. Now here we can apply the chain rule. So in chain rule, we're going to take when we take the derivative of a function, which is a composite function, so it's going to be just e to the whatever the function is times the derivative of that function. So it's going to be like, if in the chain rule we have d over dx of u equals basically e to the u. I'm sorry, this is e to the u. Let me just write it again. Okay, e to the u equals basically e to the u, the function, times du over dx. Okay, so now let's take a look at it. We want to take the derivative of e to the x ln of x, so it's going to be dy over dx equals d over dx of e to the x ln of x. Okay, so the derivative is going to be then just e to the x ln of x times d over dx of x times ln of x. Okay, so here we have e to the x times ln of x, and here we can apply the product rule. We have two functions multiplying, so it's going to be x times d over dx of ln of x, plus we have ln of x times d over dx of x. Okay, so I expanded this using the product rule. So now we have e to the x ln of x times, inside we get x times the derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x, plus ln of x times the derivative of x is just 1. Okay, so we get e to the x times ln of x, and inside we get this x cancels out x in the denominator, we get 1 plus ln of x. Okay, now we already know that e to the x ln of x equals just x to the x. So we just substitute this x to the x for this portion right here. Okay, and then we have inside 1 plus ln of x. Okay, so this is our final answer. You can leave it this form as well, but you can also simplify it to this one. So this is the derivative of x to the x.